take off your seatbelt. Bad man no drive with seatbelt. But what you indicate for? Don't ever use your indicator. Never make a next man know your next move. Lock off that. If you turn left, just turn left. If you turn right, just turn right. Fire upon the indicator. But why you slow down for?
Yeah, because the light just turned yellow.
That means speed up before it turn red. Drive, speed up, speed up. Never slow down on a yellow light. Speed up before it turn red. Where you stop for? Where you stop for?
Yeah, people are passing.
You see the pedestrian crossing sign right here, sir?
Oh,
alright, then drive the car. Drive the car. Okay, you passed the test.